Now we'll talk about mounting the Vigilant cradles. So there's a few different options with the Vigilant cradles. They all come with the L bracket here. So if you wanted to mount the cradle to the top of the jar like that, you could peel the paper off of the sticky side here and here, and then have it stuck twice to that cell. The way we're going to do this installation, we have ELMs, so mounting this cradle here, it's not going to work well for that. So another option would be to remove that and then mount it to the cell itself, somewhere typically in the middle and out of the way for the ELMs. You do want to keep in mind the wire lengths, so you don't want to get too far away from where your wire harnesses are going to go at the battery terminals. If you are going to use the adhesive on the Vigilant cradles, it's approved by battery manufacturers, so it won't eat away at any of the different jar types. So make sure that you're only using the adhesive that comes with these cradles. We also supply this battery approved cleaner. It's a non-flammable, plastic safe, fast evaporating cleaner. This is only supplied if you get ELMs. So if you didn't order ELMs but need this cleaner to stick cradles to a battery, let us know. We can get you the cleaner that you need. So all you got to do with the cleaner is spray where you're going to mount the sensor cradle, and then use a blue cloth or shop rag and wipe it clean. And then you'll get a little bit of particles on there, and that's what we wanted to get off to make sure that the adhesive sticks to the cell. And then go back over one more time and just buff that clean. So you can see I got even a little bit more off then. Then you can take the paper off of the back and mount this. Once you get it stuck where you want, you just want to press a couple times where the adhesive is. Make sure that it's making a good bond to the cell. Another thing to take into consideration when you're installing your Vigilant cradles, if you are going to use ELMs, you want to try and make the installation look as consistent as possible. So with the Vigilant sensors in the back row of this two-step rack, we weren't able to mount the sensors down low. So we wanted to mount these up here like this, and then not use the ELM cradles, which we'll get into in another video. So the next option with mounting Vigilant cradles would be to use unistrut with a strut nut. The cradles all have a 120-degree countersink in there, so that when you screw in a bolt, it'll sit flush to the back of the cradle. So you can see we did that here. And if you do this, you want to put these plastic circle dot stickers over that bolt head like that on every sensor. This will make it so that the ELM cable can't get grounded out on the unistrut. This is typically going to be the preferred method. The sensors are never going to fall off. If you needed to replace one, you can just undo the bolt and then put a new cradle in and go on with your day. The bolts and the spring nuts are not provided, but if you guys have the ability to get them and mount unistrut, that's going to be the best outcome for you.